are a lighting engineering corporation, one of the top 5 global producers in terms of product output and quality. As the integrated whole, our companies cover the complete cycle of all the processes and focus areas of the lighting engineering sector. 7 plants in Russia and abroad. We manufacture over 4,500 product titles. This is more than 2 million lighting products annually, covering all consumer groups. At least 30 types of high-capacity lenses for LED lighting fixtures. Over 1.5 million start controllers per year. Many modifications of lighting poles and masts. The complete spectrum of products, down to decorative elements. We develop control programs and produce equipment for lighting management systems to materialize some very bold dynamic color and light scenarios. We ensure prompt response and considerable savings. Computer-assisted design programs that feature an open luminary database is the know-how of the corporation. Today, we deliver our products and implement our projects all over Russia, in Central, Western and Eastern Europe, Africa, Asia, and ex-USSR countries. Architectural illumination of building facades, historical landmarks, and monuments is a priority focus area for us, and it has a colossal importance for the nighttime image of any city. We have developed consistent light environment of whole cities. After sunset, urban landscape is what defines the style, shapes the image of a city, and highlights the singularity of dominating architectural objects. A lighting fixture is one of the main tools in the hands of a lighting designer and architect. For outlining buildings and creating continuous lines that outline bridges and road junctions. For flood and accent lighting of a building and monument facades to highlight their texture with a variety of lighting effects. Our vast experience of operation of this equipment at some of the most significant urban objects, both in Russia and abroad, has long since proven its effectiveness. Our lighting products that are watertight, reliable, have an optimal light distribution due to the use of special lenses and high-capacity LEDs. Exceptional energy performance are easily integrated into the illumination management system to create an almost endless diversity of dynamic lighting solutions.
According to BL Group team, everything shall be smart in the smart city. A smart apartment, smart office, smart enterprise, smart yard, everything that contributes to the quality of our life. Creating an environment where everybody can manage it, adjust it according to personal needs and mood, according to private preferences and wishes. This is essential for a comfortable life. The large-scale exposition of International Lighting Engineering Corporation BOSS Lighting Group is dedicated to the integration of solutions for outdoor and indoor lighting in information and communication systems, digital platforms and services of the Smart City. Smart City by BL Group was located on 400 square meters and attracted the attention of each and every one who attended the exhibition. We make a soft landing at the airport, pass through the tunnel and then plunge into the atmosphere of a modern metropolis. A variety of lighting solutions for streets, roads, parks, sports complexes, museums, hotels, industrial zones, and even for greenhouses is implemented with the equipment manufactured at the corporation's domestic plants. Using sensors and counters that are installed in control cabinets, fixtures, and supports, you can not only check the operating status of any device, but also perform remote monitoring and control. Solar batteries are used at the base of this support. Landmark solution in steel constructions independent of electrical supply networks. 3 compact solar batteries are mounted on an anodized aluminum housing. They feed both the main element of lighting and additional devices that require energy. All support systems can be controlled via a mobile application, and due to the flexible choice of shape factor, it can be used in any location, even in places difficult to access for traditional infrastructure. The quality of obstacle lights on the airfield runway can also be assessed as a virtual pilot. Diode light sources guarantee the service life and reliability, and specially designed optics provide good visibility of airport runways. The devices are resistant to temperature drops and salt fog, protected from dust, moisture, sand, and vibration. The corporation also focuses on producing simple and easy-to-maintain lighting devices. This can be seen in AR technology. In augmented reality mode, you can see, for example, how the spotlights are being serviced on a giant lighting support with a mobile crown. A modern metropolis is about dynamics, drive, and of course, sport. The new LED devices can solve the most complex tasks in large open spaces. You can combine different powers, changing lighting modes, manage light distribution, and specially designed heat removal systems can be used both indoors and outdoors. These devices are power efficient, easy to operate and maintain. Following the road traffic rules, we're now moving to the park zone through the pedestrian crossing. Using a motion sensor and adjusting the lighting brightness, we have made it safer. When the green light is on, the downlight shines brighter to illuminate our path. This is comfortable for a pedestrian, and the driver is warned with this additional sign. Pedestrian flow records is useful information for adjusting logistic solutions, and the motion sensor helps save energy. Street furniture, the potential of light for brighter leisure. The Smart Bench. It can be of any color, shape, or content and fit into a complex architectural solution. For example, it can be designed in the style of modern minimalism, like the entire exhibition. The main thing is the purpose of the object itself, which serves the person and is intended for the personal comfort of each of us. We can control the light, color, and therefore mood by adjusting the intensity and spectrum of lighting. Is your gadget's battery empty? A charger is right here, and presence and location sensors on the one hand contribute to our security, and on the other hand provide good material for comparative analysis and subsequent decisions on optimizing costs for street furniture. By the way, in the 4 days of the fair, the bench recorded 3,127 people, so it was in demand, located where people needed it. Let's try using a mobile device to implement a variety of color and light dynamic scenarios of architectural lighting. And that's not all. City traffic jams data, visualized by means of color change, displayed on the counter of the bridge. Thus, color navigation helps road users build an optimal route, observing possible traffic from afar. Lighting parameters affect the efficiency of every process. You can create comfort zones via a mobile application by adjusting the color and brightness of both ambient and local lighting. Moreover, you can do it in real-time mode based on a preset scenario and with parameters that are personally important to you. The motion set, together with the leading representatives of museums that are heirs of the national culture, such as the Hermitage and Tretyakov Gallery, the Historical Museum, and the Garage Museum of Modern Art, we enter the hall. We're approaching the object. A light appears that is directed to the object. The color, temperature, brightness, light beam along the contour of any form presented, and other parameters are managed by the visitors themselves, depending on their individual preferences. But within the permissible standards, that guarantees the safety of the item. We move away. The light is dimmed, switching our attention to the next exposition that we're approaching. This is convenient for the visitor, safe for the works of art.